how to register CRA account for the first time. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to access or pull up any preferred web browser directly from your phone. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, once you have access it, all you have to do to type in is just type in CRA Canada logged in. Now, it is usually at the top or the very first result. So just simply tap on that. That will take you out to Canada.ca's official site. Then here, just scroll down a bit till you find this option to register for a CRA account. And just simply tap on that, and you will be given out these specific documents or requirements requiring you to have these informations on your end so that your registration will be successful. So what you need is your social insurance number, the SIN, your date of birth, the amount you reported in your most recent tax return, your Canadian passport or Canadian driver's license, or your provincial or territorial photo ID card. Now, if you already have these documents right here, you just have to tap on have your documents ready before you begin. Now, what you want to do next is just to create up a user ID and password. So once you all have these informations right here at the top, then scroll down again and then go to this option that is say verify your identity. And there you should be able to fill out those general informations like your name, your address, and so on and so forth. And that's it. That's how you register CRA account for the first time.